Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve please wait a moment app maintenance is progress problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting and scroll down or tap on app management, tap on app list, search WhatsApp app or find out WhatsApp app, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, click on OK and go back and open on Play Store, search WhatsApp app, update WhatsApp app if showing on Play Store. Now open on WhatsApp app. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.